Sabi nila, be consistent and be disciplined. That if you fail once, it's a failure. If you fail twice, it's a habit. And if you fail thrice, it's a choice. And that's why most people give up. Para sa akin, yung totoong failure is the day you stop trying. And the real discipline is the day you keep trying. Kasi merong mga araw na mawawalan ka talaga ng gana na i-execute ang mga plano mo. Kasi when I started this self-improvement journey, sobrang motivated ako to the point na 3 AM na ako natutulog. Pero dumating pa rin sa point na nagkaroon ako ng emotional numbness at dinadoubt ko na ang sarili ko. Yung tipong wala na talaga akong gana gawin yung mga bagay na dating gustong gusto kong gawin. Pero kahit marami akong small defeat, kahit mahirap i-overcome ang mga bad habit, kailangan pa rin natin gawin yung sinimulan na natin without motivation and kahit wala na tayong masyadong nakikitang result. Most people give up kasi akala nila discipline means doing it every single day na wala kang namimiss. Kapag feeling nila na hindi para sa kanila, nawawalan na sila ng gana at kapag wala sila masyadong nakikitang resulta, doon na sila tumitigil. And the day you still try to keep up and trying to show up, even it feels like everything is falling apart and parang hindi gumagana, for me, that's the real discipline and consistency. Maybe nakita mo tong video na to show up again, to do it again, and to try again. Ako si Jess and this is my self-improvement journey. Remember to do what you love but do what is right. Have a great day.